Area. Area. Not be smart, you know. First of all, AY. You not see the hair? Now, wow, when I do this and I know what women they go through. You need to respect them. You think they pain, no? As the girl, I get it done. She did do and the class say easy on me. It's my first time. You got it, right? First of all, let me thank you. You left America to honor your brother, your colleague, and your friend. I respect you. And AY, and I like the way take hype you, greet you, celebrate you. Now only devil go touch your mind to ask this young man for money tomorrow. Because when you see somebody talk like that, just know. Just know. Say, go, boom. Chichi. You see what they start? I want to introduce and celebrate one of my brother, my friend. I think say na Buhari be one hail. Now when he call say my brother, I call him Ogba. Instantly now pass my mind, I say Ghana don't pay. Say no. Now you understand the hailing. You don't already see the job. When you go do show for somebody, just tell you say, God go bless you. No expect transport. No shishi. Eh? Eh? Mumu, you say? You say? He get who devil help here. He get who devil help for you. So your mind now, you don't make sense. I God help you. So now Satan help you. Idiot. How this guy take the table? Eh? You say? Eh? You say? Eh? You say? You know this, so you be fool. Because if you get sense, I was insulting someone, you can't just let them insult you. Now I know, say that table, who pay not come. Area, who pay not come. Big, you can't pay 1 million. Now God can help you. If there is anything big man hate, now noise. Noise is the first sign of poverty. That is why when you see pastor with the chant, hallelujah, pray, hey, Holy Ghost, hallelujah, hey. Any pastor they preach like that, now poverty. You don't see Christopher Kilome shout like that. Christopher Kilome, you don't see how they shout like that. Just did the 5 of una, be 10 of una. Now just count table of 1.5 million. They shout, I got help you. And you are not here, you call them, they repeat that. Mumu. And for your mind now, you are very proud though. When you go now, you go to tell the girl, oh, hello baby, can I have your number? I was the one shouting. Then adjust your profile now. You just want a YouTube. My brother, now Joko. Because as I dey talk, as you fold hand, like the way Ghana fold hand, I just get to respect myself. Any person you see they fold down like that, I know say na microphone at the whole they walk. I don't know what you they hold. Because sometimes not you go the vest, now your boys will see they hold the thing where you they hold. Oh, you say come here, now you they talk to our guy anyhow. Now joke I do. Anything happen to me after today, that man is responsible. As I said, that my cameraman, you go the video, that man is responsible. Go there, go video ahead. So that all your boys go know say you don't already did national television. From now till next year, I'm safe. Peter, people there, yeah? Atiku people there, yeah? Tinubu people there, yeah? You hear they shout? August, I agree to you because when I talk of Peter Obi, now you shout at pass, you they sponsor him. Huh? You be boy. So I have to mind what I will say. You see, don't I shout? I like the shout to, you know, say Nigeria election, not be shout to. Evil Peter Obi, you know, say not be shout. Nigeria, we get 176,846 polling units. Yera, 176,846 polling units. Do you know what I tell you? Peter Obi need at least 3 people to take that polling unit to monitor the vote. And if he want pay 10,000 naira each to those people, that is 5.8 billion. Go and verify. Area. That are just to monitor. No, that is just to monitor alone. I like it. Whether Peter Obi win or he don't win, he don't prove to politician say fourth force is possible. Everybody humble now. Everybody humble. For the very first time in Nigeria, we get election where be like say the tribes come together. It's now Wazobia. First time in the history of this country, we now have election that is Wa and the Zo and the Bia. First of all, I give it to our grandfather. They fought with gun of the British. They don't care. They saw the enslavement. They said, no, the British have to go without guns. They fought and we got independence. And that is what we're enjoying today. Our father also saw the military. When all these Babangida, all of them, they rule, the military, soldiers, they rule. They came out 1993. They all scream. They shout. They said, Babangida must go. And that gave birth to the democracy that we're enjoying today. Who are the people who just hold this country? Who they just hold them, stack them. They're not reach 500. But I am proud of this younger generation. They came out today. They are sending signal now to our leaders. So they don't push them to the wall. Area. We are divided. Look at it. The Northerners very smart. I had a planner, very smart. They go anywhere. Mark my word, he's not going anywhere. What he happen for the primary for PDP? When it be say Tambo one step down for Atiku, now it go still happen. Let us put our heads together. And the only way we can get it right, not be to the shout, obedient. If me and you not join politics, if me and you not join where they make the decision, the whole politicians, they are still coming back to this same system. But I pray to see a new Nigeria. But if we must get it right, we must come out together, vote for the change. Area. But what is shocked me be this. I said it before, and I'll talk again, AY. I talk him before, and I will talk him again. When they tell us, say, for you to become president of this country, you need B. On this side, they lie. Abi? When I say, oh, for you to succeed, to become the president of this election, for the president of Nigeria, you need B. They say, they talk like that. See this election. You get who they now will not get B. See the PDP primary. They know. Say the B when you go get, if not two tenure. If not one tenure. If your vice not get B, and you get only one B, now one tenure. Buhari enter now. You only one B. The vice president, Yemi Osinbajo. Yemi Osinbajo don't know say Buhari don't use the B. See, say, watch away. Say Tinubu. Tinubu get how many B? 2B. Bola Ahmed, Tinubu, 2B. See, Rotimi Amechi, no B at all. The place where forever come, Rivers State. If to say state self get B, if forever help. Rivers State, no B. The place where for come, Ikwere, no B. Ife. The best way first step down. God's will akpa B. No only one B. In your look at only one B. Now 2B now they need in commode. Yaya Bello, 1B. He just commode. Who can hold her? Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Check 2B. Check the PDPO. Who winner? Atiku Abubakar. 2B. We cannot get B. May we cannot shout. I see the painted. It is sweet us. Did not tell us to look up. I see the sweet us. We cannot get B. B not the name. We have for concept, no B. If to say we can even talk, say, in from Igbo man, if not Igbo man, that B for every weapon. We can say, it not be Igbo. Tampu one no, say only one B get. The best way most qualify, Atiku Abubakar is stepped down for him. But I'm shocked. Peter Obi no, why? He knows the power of B. His own name now, Peter Obi. He know, say if he win, not only one tenure. He carry a vice president. Dirty ba. Area. Peter Obi now don't get 3B. He not stop there. He go join another party where get B. Labour Party. 4B. He not the important of B. He even come from a state when he still get B. Anambra State. Obi be too many. That was what happened to Ibrahim Badamusi Babangida. He be many where. What happened to MK Abiola? He beat too many. MK Abiola only one B. Go carry running mate. Babakana Kiki Pay. They rig the election. But if we must get it right, we must come out together, vote for the change. After the election, after the election, his voice go. But they talk like woman now. After the result, we go suffer. I just want my people to calm down. We are going to court. God. So God will decide. Area. I hope Peter Obi win. But not be just not a shot. Evident. You must be a better. See, B must say to be a better obedient. You go vote. Monitor your vote. Can't tap. For me, I know. You talk, you die. You not talk, you die. Let me talk. Thank you.
Thank you.